Hey everyone, thank you once again for tuning in to another episode of Trini Mom Beauty. Hey! Yes, my face doesn't have that much makeup on. I just have on like some foundation and stuff like that because I was so excited about this style. I saw someone do this on YouTube and I had to do it. I had to try it. My hair is 4C texture. My hair is a 4C texture and all I did was use two basic things in my hair to get it looking like this. For this look, you are only going to need some Eco Styler gel, whichever one you choose, along with a spray bottle. I have conditioner and water in this. You could use whatever you choose once it's nourishing to your hair in order to achieve this style. So without further ado guys, let's get started.
Subscribe!
This is something I learned from YouTube, right? My hair is already in twists. It's been like this all week and I'm actually going to wash my hair after I do this, so let me just show you. I undo my twists, open up my hair like so, finger detangle, and then I wet my hair. This spray bottle just has conditioner and water in it, so I ensure my hair is well saturated with water like so, and then I finger detangle. Then I use Eco Styler, this one. I don't have the flaxseed. I have this and this is what I'm gonna use, okay? So now I'm going to take some Eco Styler. This is too much. I'll use this amount and I'm gonna squeeze my fingers together and just pass it through my hair like this to clump it up, add a little more. Now I saw a YouTuber doing this, so if it fails, it fails, but if not, I've got some sleek curls. So you know what she did, oh man, my hair keeps tingling into it. She just squeezed it together like this. Yeah, let me give it a little water. So if you want, you could separate them, but I don't know, it looks kind of cute. Alright, so I'm going to do 2 more strands here, and then when I come back, I'll be doing the front for you all to see. Then, gel it. Squeeze down. Make sure every strand has it. Look at this, it looks so cute. Okay, so now I'm to the front. I done out most of my hair and I am going to start again untwisting, finger detangling. Alright, and then I am going to spray. Get my gel. I'm doing it on already sectioned hair because it's actually easier for me to do rather than if my hair was washed and I had to clump them separately. That would have. But I really like the style. If I could remember the person who I saw doing this, I'll link it below, but I honestly cannot remember. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I really appreciate you guys, and I would also appreciate the subscribe, yo, if you guys want to see me do or try more natural hair looks. Please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for more videos like this. Trini Mom Beauty is out guys. Bye.